Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to be going over a little bit of an interior in the car. Basically how I fit in the car, what the interior looks like. I haven't really done many videos of that. This is probably going to be the last time the channel sees the stock interior. I have changes coming. Look forward to that. Let's get started. So, just excuse the mess, but here we have, this is a base model GT. I do have the Barton Hybrid 3 shifter, it's a short throw, along with a weighted custom knob, stock seats, stock floor mats. Like I said, excuse the mess, you know, I do drive this often. Just a basic interior here. Alright, so I get in a little different than other people. I sit down first, pull my legs in. I'm 6'4". I fit in here pretty well. I can actually go up a little bit. I like to sit back a little bit further, a little bit more comfortable. Obviously nobody can sit behind me because I pretty much slide all the way back. But comfortability is pretty good for a base model car.
Now, if you're short like me, I'm about 5'4". You can fit 4 people in this car. It's not the most comfortable thing in the world, but it is possible. Alright, any likes or dislikes of the interior? Like, what would you change?
Well, I mean, I know my car, it's a base model car, but if I had a choice to change, I'd change the radio. I'd have a big doubled-in touchscreen with all the stuff in it, just like the performance pack would have. I'm looking into steering wheels. Obviously, I still want to keep my factory airbags because I don't want to change that at all. The factory emergency brake, or parking brake as some people will call it, will be disappearing once I put my bare brakes on it that I purchased when I got the clutch. I have to have, basically it gets rid of the parking brake on the back 2 calipers. So I still want to be able to park this thing and make it stop. So I'm going to figure out something to do with that. But this is going to be going out of the car, and there will be something replacing it here soon. I pretty much like the interior the way it is from factory. Obviously, I'm going a little bit more performance oriented this go around. A little bit more safety. Definitely like to get some seats, maybe a harness, maybe a roll cage. We'll just have to see.
Do you want to give them any hints on maybe a color choice? Okay, I'll give you a hint. It's not yellow.
There you go.
And it's not black.
It's not yellow and it's not black. Just got to stay tuned. Hopefully here in the next couple of videos or so, we'll get some tracking information. Here in the next couple of days, we'll get some tracking information on when stuff shows up. And I'm definitely going to do an unboxing video. First look of what we purchased for the car.
And another note while I'm thinking about it, the interior for this will not be for sale. Just so you guys know, we've already had somebody ask us about the supercharger.
It is going in another car here soon. So that will be on the channel here too. Just keep an eye out here for the next few months. Things are going to happen. You're going to see a lot of stuff. I appreciate everybody following us thus far. We appreciate all the likes, the comments, and all the support that we've gotten thus far. We really don't have much else to do in today's video for the interior. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Y'all have a great day. Stay safe.
Come on, thing.